Hi, it's Lynn from Linny C Designs, and today I'm coming on to show you a very quick and simple card using the half full stamp set from Stampin' Up. It is a clear rubber stamp set. The card base I'm using is the standard A6 in cherry cobbler, which is half a sheet of A4 scored at 10.5, and then I've got two layers exactly the same size of Whisper White that I'm going to do for my stamping. The only ink I'm using is the black Memento, and I've got some stamping blends just to colour in the images. So this is very quick and easy, simple card. I've already mounted the stamps that I'm using on the clear acrylic blocks, and I just wanted to show you actually how quick it is to make a card in my simple series that I'm doing. So just to show that you don't need all the gadgets and gizmos that we avid crafters use. So there's the wine bottle, and then I'm going to use the, just to stamp beside it, the wine glass, and then the sentiment, which I think is really lovely. It just made me giggle. One of the reasons I bought the stamp set, I'm dreaming of a white Christmas. So we'll just do that. I couldn't quite decide which angle to do it. That's the outside stamping done, and the inside there's a lovely row of wine glasses which I'm going to stamp in the bottom right hand corner. Sorry about all the shadowing, I'm filming, it's a bit grey outside. Anyway, the sentiment for the inside is, but if the white runs out, I'll drink red. So I love those two going together. And then because it's a Christmas card, we've got Merry Christmas, but there's still plenty of room to write your sentiment on the inside. So I'm going to speed it up so that you don't have to watch me colouring, but I've got the stems of all the glasses. I'm going to use the pale Pool Party and also the label of the wine bottle just to tie that in a little bit, but I'm not going to do any blending. I'm just using the single colours. They do come in as a combo pack, but I just wanted the stems to stand out. Then I'm using the pale Old Olive to colour in the bottle, and to try and give it a little bit of dimension. I'm going to leave a little patch in the centre. You can see I'm going around the outside first, and then I want to leave a little sliver of white to try and just give the illusion that the bottle is dimensional. So I've got, because the front says I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, we're going to give it a glass of white wine, and again to try and give it a bit of dimension, or an illusion of dimension, I've left a little white strip down the bottom. One of the glasses on the inside, you can see I've made a glass of white, and then I'm using the dark cherry cobbler to colour in the seal on the bottle, and then I will do the rest of the little glasses on the inside in that cherry cobbler. I just think it's just such a fun little card. And then in order to ground everything, I always like to put a little bit of shadow. So I'm using here the lightest grey, the light smoky slate, just to underneath the wine glasses, the row of wine glasses, and then the little stamped bit at the front as well. And I just think that gives it an illusion of sort of being on something rather than just floating in the air. So now I'm just coming along to those slithers where I've left pale. I'm using the colour lifter just to sort of blend that out. And on the little glasses, I didn't leave a white patch, but I'm just going to do a little bit of a little stripe, and it just gives it a little illusion. So that's it. Let's get the Tombow multi-purpose glue in, and we'll stick both of those down. Now all of the details for the card will be in the description box below, or rather there'll be links to my blog which will have full details and all my other social media links, and there's a link to my online Stampin' Up shop if you want to buy this lovely stamp set or any of the cardstock or blends. So full details will be below, and I'll also over the coming days and weeks share some more projects made with this versatile stamp set. So thank you very much for subscribing, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. There we are, nice and simple, one layer. Thanks very much. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Bye bye for now.